Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the U.S. elections are going on right now. They definitely don't really have any results yet. As you can see, it's still 0-0 on the electoral vote. So definitely no results yet. I don't think you're going to start seeing results out of the East Coast until around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, which is still quite a while away. So I wouldn't really expect to see any results for quite some time. The market is definitely taking it as bearish dollar so far. Now I left this Fibonacci, this Elliot wave 5-wave count on here from this morning because I just wanted to show you something. Now this is a really good example of why I don't counter trend trade, because first of all, we got a huge gap down here. We have what looks like a perfect 5 waves ending right here. You would expect this to be a wave A, you would have expected this move up to be a wave B, and you would have expected it to go down for a wave C. But guess what? Ever since we had that significant break of structure to the upside, I've only been looking for longs. So I did not try to sort it right here at the end of a wave B, because that definitely would have been a losing trade, trying to assume that the gap was going to be filled and assuming that this 5-wave pattern was going to lead to a big move to the downside. So definitely only looking for longs right now. There is a big gap down here that likely will get filled, but we don't know if it's going to get filled within the next 24 hours or whether it's going to get filled within the next 3 to 4 weeks or more. So definitely not trading based on gaps, that's for sure. So definitely pay attention to your charts. Keep an eye on the U.S. presidential election, because that's going to have a big impact on the markets, and we definitely may see some volatility out of it tonight. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.